I got it through an event in my college. In lockdown, Career Lab conducted a webinar in our from our college, and our ma'am said to attend that one, and then I attended that, and I got interested in Career Labs and I joined in that one. It's an easy process, and it helped me to convince my father to go to pursue my higher studies. It helped me to convince him, and
Yeah.
also it make me to think there are few steps that I could, if I could cross them, it's all the simple process. All other things are simple. Her inputs were very good, and she helped me to organize these how to organize my extracurricular activities and my what can I say that my projects. How should I present my projects in my CV to look them as good projects? No, I couldn't get that one. uh, I can get a similar or a low version of that with I couldn't get as precise as that one. After my profile gap analysis, they asked me to do some courses and to perform and to do some internships to get a to develop my profile. I could do many courses, but I couldn't do a internship because of my tight schedule in my college, and I have some. I'm I'm a head of a managing team in my for ASM student chapter in my college, so I couldn't get much time to participate in internships. Uh, I could easily understand that one, and it is in a systematical order that anyone can get that one. Uh, uh, Even if we have some doubts after attending the webinar, also if we have some doubts, we can refer it back in LMS which you provided to us. And there are some other concepts which you have given to us for learning ability, like mathematics and uh, for interview prep and other. There are some other courses which you give to us. I found that very helpful. I find this very helpful because as a writer, as an Indian student from Andhra Pradesh, I'm a bit weak in English or in expressing my words in the expressing my words. So I gave my inputs in the essay which I created in my first draft to her, and she had gave some suggestions to me and to add something uh, which helps me to uh, get more chances to admit in the college. And she corrected my sentences and all. It will be helpful for a typical Indian student who have a village background like me. I did take help from career labs, from the GRE prep by Byju's, right? Yes, it's very helpful for me, and there are many exceptions, like not an exception. I think there's an option to create a section for us separately on which we want to concentrate. I like the option they gave to us. Because of that, I could concentrate on some topics which I'm so weak in there. And I didn't expect my score could cross more than 300, but now my score is 321. It's all because of that course you provided to me. It helped me very much. I got confused between 30 to 40 B schools which I should apply, or there are many B schools where my friends are going to, and where my relatives are suggesting to me, but I don't know which university does suit my profile. And they gave me a short list of the some B schools which might suit for my profile, and I gave my suggestions to them, and we together shortlisted some B schools, and then I got my final list of short list of these schools. Yes, it helped me a lot because not only the B schools I'm working with the career labs, I have applied to another B schools with the knowledge I got from the essays we sat together, and I applied to the other schools and I got an admit in the schools. I'm not applying through the career labs also. It took a maximum of 4 editions, four iterations. That's it. And later on, uh, for each college, they are asking about three essays for me. For some colleges, they are asking three essays, and for another college, they ask just one essay, that two for 300 words only. It's been a hard task for me to compact it into 300 words, but it went well. Would be helpful for the students who the teachers won't give any LOs to them.